Hey VanGang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is LaToya Princess. In today's video, we are going to be doing a review on a Unice wig, or Unice, however you pronounce it. And this is my first unit from them, so I'm super excited. I'm going to do all the styling on camera, so definitely stay tuned if you would like to see how I got this look. So here's a look at the packaging. This is what the hair is going to come in. You get a pair of eyelashes. You get a nude wig cap as well as a headband, which is really cute. It's floral. I think it's really pretty. And you also get your wig, okay? And as you can see, it has 3 combs, adjustable straps, and it is a clover. Let's get to styling. I placed the wig directly on my head from the packaging. I did not wash this hair at all. All I did so far was cut the lace, okay? And I'm placing it on my head, and I really don't like the way it looks straight. To me, it just needs some volume. So I'm gonna go in with my medium-sized curling iron, and I'm gonna curl the hair away from the face, okay? And this is going to give the appearance that the hair is thicker. This hair is very silky, and it has like a natural density, so the curls is going to make it look a little bit more voluminous. So again, this is a closure unit, so you do have a little bit of room to play with the parting space, but I feel like the parting space is so indented in there, like as if they plucked the middle part, that I would like to keep it that way. I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm just gonna play around with the rest of the hair and the styling. Okay, so off camera I did go in and I plucked a little bit because I felt like it just looked like so much hair right there on the hairline. I also added some baby hairs, and I did use my hot comb to kind of like push the hairs backwards a little bit, and I didn't get any burning, so that's a good thing. I actually had no issues whatsoever while styling. As you can see, I didn't even use my brush that much or my comb. Like, the hair is just silky, it was straight, it held a curl, it holds a curl very well, okay? It takes the heat very nicely. So you could go in, you could straighten it, you could curl it, you could crimp it, you could pretty much do whatever you would like to do, you know, as far as styling. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue to do the same exact thing on both sides of my head. I'm gonna curl it going away from my face, and then I also am going to cut it into a bob off camera, but I didn't cut a lot of hair, I promise you, and I had to get my brother to cut the back because I couldn't see it. But again, I am working on my setup, so I will be doing all of that on camera very soon. I'm probably just gonna use my blockhead to style because I find that easier, and I think that would be a better way for y'all to style your hair as well. It's so much easier to style a unit on the blockhead as opposed to on your own head, because you really can't see too much of what you're doing, and you have to lift your arms and your hands up, you know, it's a lot. But if you style it on the head, it is so much easier. That's why I do most of all of my styling to my wigs on the blockhead, and then I just do little tweaking here and there when I put it on my head, okay? So I'm just gonna finish up this styling, and then we'll get into the review and how I feel about this unit. Okay, so I am back, and this is how my hair came out. Off camera, all I did was cut it into a long bob, as well as add a few baby hairs and lay the unit down using a hot comb. I am working on my setup. As soon as I am able to get like a small table, I will be doing all styling from
the beginning to the end on camera. Just bear with me. But yeah, this is my finished results, and honestly at first I was very afraid of the hair color on my skin complexion, but I think after completely styling it the way a way that it would look good on me personally, I think that I love it. Like, I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, I don't think I've ever had like brown with blonde highlights. Like, I've had like black with brown and blonde, but I've never just had brown and blonde, and I kind of like it. Okay, and because I feel like this unit's density was like average and the hair is silky, when you have silky hair, it's going to appear to be a little bit more thinner. So that is why I added curls to give it a little bit more volume, and I think it came out really good. So I'm kind of in love with this bob. Like, it is so pretty. It just gives me grown woman vibes, and I love that type of vibe because everyone calls me cute as if I'm a kid, and I'm almost 40 years old, okay? But yeah, I absolutely love it. I would definitely recommend it. If I have to give it a rating, I would definitely give it a I would give it about an 8 out of 10. I would like a little bit more volume on my unit. I will have all the links and everything you need to know, even if there are discount codes, everything will be down in the bottom bar for you. Let's chat down in the comments. Let me know what you feel about this hair color. How do you feel about the unit itself? Is this something you would like to purchase? If you have any other questions for me, definitely let me know down in the comments and I will get back to you. Let's chat, okay? I do answer and reply back to all of my messages, all right? As long as I see it, I'm going to reply. All right, so I thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs this video up, comment, keep checking back on my channel because I have new uploads coming, as well as I am fully back, y'all, okay? If you haven't noticed, I have been posting for the last week. I have some videos last week and this week, so definitely check them out. I thank y'all so much for watching, and I will speak to my next video. Bye, y'all.